Guys, you know what this is. V10, Viper, Dodge. Magnificent, beautiful, wide. What else? Just says impractical, on the road. Viper. Well, we got done on it for you boys and girls. Something really beautiful. He took the side skirts off for us before he brought it in because they're riveted in. So we had him take those off first. Then what we did is put a high flow cat instead of the stock converter, intermediate pipe, flow FX by FLOWMASTer instead of the stock mufflers, and kept his original tailpipe so it looks like it's original when he puts everything back on it. On this side, as you guys can see, look at that wide tires, I love it. And then we go to the other side. There's nothing on the bottom, as you guys can see, look. It is just a bunch of plastic and metal and transmission and engine, things of that sort. It's wrapped, look, that's how it comes to the side exhaust on those. With a flex pipe out the side on this side, side exhaust on here, starters right there, flex pipe, and the side pipes on that side. Okay? Then we did the same thing on this side. There's a stock converter, high flow converter, intermediate pipe, flow FX by FLOWMASTer, and then there's his stock muffler. Stock tip, did a little bit of customization on the hanger to make it work, but it all worked out at the end, as you guys can see. And again, the wide tires. And if you guys like our work, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. There's the back of it, like there's nothing there, but then you look to the side and it's a beast. Dodge Viper 1994. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. It's actually breathing now. That sounds so good. And it's a 6-speed. Makes it even better. No rev limiters, no all that BS of the new stuff. That sounds really good. On this side again. He didn't want it loud, he wanted it classy. So that's what we did. Here's sound decibels. Right at 105. Alejandro, grab the phone, please. Dodge Viper. Again. I love the side exhaust on it. What do you think? Give it gas? You like it? Yeah. See, in camera, it doesn't give it too much justice. In person, it's a big difference. Right. And then now when you really step on it, you'll feel it. You'll open up. Because they're straight through design, you know?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
No problem, sir. Enjoy it. Thank you so much. Show us what this thing can do. Dodge Viper. Beautiful car. Opened up. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. He's setting up. Oh yeah, man. Beast mode. That's awesome. There's the tracks. I love it. Hope you guys enjoy.